Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the engine now. Clear space, disconnect battery, and drain oil and coolant to avoid mess. Lift the car safely and unbolt mounts. Use a hoist so you control movement. Label every wire and vacuum line as you detach it because reassembly relies on precise locations. Once the engine is free, secure it on an engine stand and immediately perform a teardown inspection. Note wear patterns and gather measurement tools, micrometer, bore gauge, and torque wrench to verify what must be replaced. You now disassemble methodically. Keep fasteners grouped and ordered, use labeled trays. Remove the cylinder head and timing components, then separate oil pump and pan so you can access the crank and rods. Measure critical dimensions: cylinder bore, piston ring end gap, crank journal diameter, and bearing clearances. Why? Because tolerances determine whether machining is needed. If under limits, machine the block or fit oversized pistons. If journals are okay, install new bearings. Once parts are verified, clean every surface you assemble using clean parts and proper lubricants. Coat bearings and cam lobes, and install gaskets carefully so sealing surfaces mate. Torque head and main bolts in the factory sequence and to spec, because uneven torque causes warpage. Make sure to use calibrated torque tools. Set timing exactly, then prime the oiling system before first crank. On initial start, monitor oil pressure and coolant temperature and listen for abnormal noises. If you detect low oil pressure or loud knocking, stop immediately and perform a leak down and bearing clearance check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.